Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
And it is the oldest schoolboy trophy they're competing for in New Zealand rugby. The Palmerston banner, Palmerston North Boys High School's turn to have the home game this year up against Napier Boys. Involved coaching of the Palmerston North Boys High team. We're underway here. And early possession, the kickoff going down midway, 22 and halfway, centre of the field. Younger of a couple of fine brothers who played in this Palmerston North Boys High School team. Only a few inches away now. The momentum continues. That's going to be close. Referee looking in deep. Villuin over for the try. To the man in white. On the line, the Palmerston banner. Line out target again, Reed. Down towards the back. Big, lanky young fella. Imagine him in a couple of years. He's going to be something special.
Yep, that's right.
Army boys working it around to the right. Getting a bit of muscle, a bit of grunt. Getting the juggernaut on here. The white jersey juggernaut, and it's over. Try. Beat his man with ease, and now they look to really smack it up in close quarter. Army boys in possession. Marcy almost there, over this time. Picked up and driven. Army boys doing the best they can to stem the tide here, and they have done, so it's gone to the ground, so they will need to go to the backs here. Again, just that lack of cohesion. Carlo Main takes it up. Here's a chance. The big number 8, who's had a very good game, crashing and bashing towards the line. He's over. Langi, try scorer. Big bullocking tight head prop. Loves to get that pill in his mitts and off he goes. It was well met by some aggressive, and this is good defence here, driving in over the ruck. Napier boys, they might have turned this over, but the advantage is with Palmy boys. Taken up by Marcy, and Palmy boys will have the penalty attempt. With a chance to add some extras before half time, and does so. Flags go up. Open side flanker, but turned over here by Napier boys, and they do need to really be able to make something of this. There's their open side flanker. We bounced up pretty quickly, Carlo May. Can certainly handle the pressure. And he comes, and there you go, there's a straight down the middle. Wallace plays halfback. Digging in after it now, Ngātai Crib. Villuin running, and corner flag coming up. Oh, it's going to be close. Touch judge says he's there, and the try is awarded to Hunter Kennedy. Victory for Palmy boys, Palmerston North Boys High School by 30 points to 7 over Napier Boys High School.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.